If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2022 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With HID headlamps, off-road suspension, 17-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 20,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, remote start system, SELEC-TERRAIN system, dual-pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6821.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory-backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.